What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is part 2 of our F100 project. Today we're going to be pulling out the small block Ford, getting ready for the Coyote. As you can see, Damon is currently under the truck as we speak. So we're going to be pulling this entire drivetrain out. Hopefully getting it on a stand here soon, but this is going to be our project for today. Is getting the trans and engine pulled and getting ready for the Coyote, which we have over here. So we should be able to get this stabbed in at some point in time, just not today. Today, our main focus is getting just the motor and transmission pulled out so we can get ready for the Coyote and the mating the transmission to the Coyote, setting up clutch, all that kind of good stuff, wiring. So let's get started. All right, guys, so as you saw, or actually you have not seen, but as you saw previously, the front clip is actually already off the truck, so we did that previously. So we're gonna go ahead and cut to that now. So we had already taken the entire front clip of the truck off before we removed the engines. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that film in now. All right, guys, as you just saw, Damon got everything detached, all the electrical undone in the front. We just took off the front grille. There we go, that's better lighting. Took off the front grille, and so now we're gonna go ahead and drain the radiator and also remove the entire front clip off this truck to be able to get to the motor, to pull it easier so we're not working around all this bullshit. So let's get into taking this thing off.
check. I think everything's off that. There's nothing attached there. There's nothing on that one. I think everything's off that one.
Yep.
All right, we should be able to shut the hood. We should be able to lift. Ready?
Yep. Okay. There we go. That is the removal of the front clip for the 73 F100. Lighting in here sucks. Okay. Yeah, so as you just saw, that was the complete removal of the front clip on the F100. So that is going to make it substantially easier for us to pull this motor and the transmission out, because we're going to put the Coyote in there and then we got to put a new clutch on there as well. So this makes it quite a bit easier for us to access everything. And honestly, not a whole lot of work for removing a front clip of a pickup truck.
Yeah, probably what, 45 minutes of work?
Yeah, so yeah, I'd say probably 45 minutes of actual work.
A lot more room, no more cussing, trying to get over a fender, trying to get over a hood.
Exactly, way easier. See, look, you can access the headers. Can't do that in an F-150, huh, guys? And now we're back. So now we're gonna go ahead and get this motor pulled and continue on. All right, guys, not only do we have some Coyote stuff going on, we also have some LS stuff going on. We've got some trunnions going in on some rockers for a C5 Z06. So we've got that going on as well. So multiple things going on in the shop at the same time. Also getting ready with the F-150 for Pickle Performance's event on the 14th is Friday. So again, come see me out there. We got JFab, Pickle Performance, us, a bunch of other people are gonna be out there. It's gonna be a wild time. So we're gonna see you out there for that too. All right, guys, so we've got a suck bolt on the drive shaft, and when bolts get stuck, sometimes you gotta use some fire.
Let it land in my face.
Fireworks for everything.
Don't let it drip on you. All right.
Sweet.
Cool.
That stuff is gone.
See if I can keep this from falling in my face.
All right, guys, so we got the exhaust out, we got the drive shaft out. Now we're gonna go ahead and get some other lines done, but we've got to deal with the clutch. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna use this Mighty Vac to suck out all the fluid from the reservoir for the clutch fluid. And just like that, the fluid is gone, empty. And that is what helps you not make a mess, is tools like this.
As big as a mess.
Yes, as big as a mess. Probably gonna make a mess, just not as much. Up, up we go. Hey, loose. More?
Do what? Let me look.
It's popped out.
Oh shit.
I'm like all the way out.
No, we got one more thing. We forgot to undo the power steering.
Okay.
Just leave it there.
Okay.
Get the sucker. All right. Try some.
Okay.
Go back. Go up.
Go up.
Yep. All right, come back.
This is American Powertrain.
Yep. That's it.
All right, there you go, guys. Just pulled a small block 4 with a TKO 5-speed out here in maybe 20 minutes, honestly. Not that hard. Now it's ready for a blown coyote.
Good enough.
Good enough.
Well, we managed to take apart a perfectly good running truck.
That's what we do.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so I'll wrap up part 2 of our motor removal from the 73 F100 project. So as you can see, everything is nice and empty and cleaned out. Not clean, but it's not there anymore. So no more motor, transmission, drive shaft, exhaust, all gone. We've got it sitting here over on the engine hoist. As soon as we get an engine stand, we're gonna throw it on there. This motor's going in there, but we still have to set up the clutch and the transmission onto this motor. So that will be our next step, is to get this thing onto an engine stand that we can get onto our table over there, get the transmission taken off, and then we'll set up the clutch throw out on the new motor and get all that set up before we go ahead and throw in the motor and transmission back into the truck. So that will do it for part 2. So if you would, please go ahead, like, subscribe, share this out to everyone else. Also go ahead and go to my merch store. It's at the bottom of the page. Buy some stuff. I'd really appreciate it. That will help out the channel. Until next time, check you later.